You can find the Promio.connect download center in the submenu of the administration area. There you will find data such as target groups that you have initiated for export, ready for download. The list is user-specific. This means that only the exports you have requested yourself will be displayed here. To export a target group and make it available in the download center, switch to the detailed view of a target group and click on the export icon. After selecting your export settings, click on Export, which will make the target group available for download in the download center. Then go there directly via the menu or click on to Downloads in the notification. You can now download the file to the download area of your browser by clicking on the list entry.